I say I was crying, when you're crying so heavy, you start going, I really can't be doing this. I was like, how does this go in? Like, I'm scared. I don't know how to put it, like, I don't know what to do. Hello guys, so today I'm doing a chit chat, get ready with me, talking about some female stuff, also doing my makeup, like this very basic, but still like fire flawless look. Also, side note, when this video goes live on the Sunday on the 29th of November, it is my birthday that day. It's my birthday today because you'll be watching this on that day, so it's my birthday today. So yeah, don't know what I'm gonna do that day, don't know what you're doing today, Jessica, but I'm sure it's fun. So yeah, let's get into it. It's my 21st. It's my 21st birthday. So legally, I'm allowed to do anything at this age, I think. Anywhere, maybe? Yeah, anyway, let's get into the video. Hi, it's me again, and yes, I'm wearing the same outfit as I mentioned in my previous video. I just filmed back to back, so I thought, why not? Like, I'm not gonna change because that's very extra. So today's video, I'm just gonna do my makeup, kinda. I don't really have a specific look. I kinda wanna do a more personal video, like talking about how I'm feeling and stuff that I've been going through and stuff, because I really wanna do vlogs, like guys. I really wanna do vlogs, and I've tried doing vlogs like 5 times, like a daily vlog, but it's just something I need to get better at, because I literally vlog for the whole morning, like have a whole setup and stuff, and then like it comes to the end of the day and I'm like, I can't be bothered anymore. So I stop. But yeah, I just need to get my head together and just commit to a vlog. Starting with the Fenty Instant Retouch Primer. I think I've used this once. I'm not actually sure what this does. Like, does it mattify your pores or something? Oh well, I'm gonna use it. But yeah, basically, what's been going on with me? Actually, the other day or yesterday, yesterday because I filmed this ahead. But yeah, yesterday on my stories, I wasn't really active on Instagram that much. I was really like just taking a break from Instagram and social media in general. And the reason was kind of because basically I used to be on birth control for reasons to do with my menstrual cycle, my period and stuff, because my cycle days were ranging from 26 to like 40. So the range was like absolutely abnormal, so irregular, and I thought, let me just go on it because I can't be doing 40-day cycles, because it was just literally coming when it felt like it. So I thought, let me just go on it. Like, this was like 2 years ago, like when I first started going on it, and it was all fine. Like, I didn't really notice anything crazy. Like, I didn't have any crazy side effects. I forgot the pill I was on, I forgot the brand and stuff, but I'll mention it. But then beginning of this year, I stopped taking it because we were all going on lockdown and stuff. So I was like, there's no point really me taking it because I'm not gonna be going anywhere. So I don't really need to like know when it's coming, if you know what I mean. I don't really need to like plan my life around it because nothing's really going on. So I went off it beginning of the year, and then this month, I decided to go back on it because like things are picking up again. So I went to the doctor and explained to her like what was going on with my body. And like nowadays you can't go into doctors because of Corona, so it was all over the phone. She did see me just to get my blood pressure and stuff. She was like, yeah, that's fine, like we'll put you back on it. And I was like, cool. And then it was a different brand one, and my body's usually calm, like with stuff like this, like medicine and stuff. I'm not allergic to anything, so I wasn't really expecting anything crazy to come from it. I also mentioned the brand that I was put on. And then I started taking it, like everything was fine. No clear side effects were going on there. And then literally the other day, I was sitting watching, I wasn't even watching, I was shopping for Christmas, like online shopping for those around me. And then I just start crying, and I was like, when I say I was crying, I was legit like bawling my eyes out. Didn't know what was going on, why I was crying. I couldn't stop myself from crying. I literally felt so upset. And I just didn't know, like I genuinely didn't know why I was crying, but I was so upset. Like I can't really explain like how I couldn't stop myself from being sad. Like, and like those that I spoke to like around me, they couldn't really understand like, why are you crying? And I was like, I don't know, I'm just sad. Like I was literally like, you know when you're crying so heavy you start going I was literally going like, I was like, and I knew in my mind like, this is insane. Like I'm not actually sad, but I feel so sad because I literally didn't know what, I was so angry as well. I just wanted to like argue with people and just like, I was just so angry, and I literally stayed in my room. I was just feeling like this for like hours on end, like literally crying. Now I knew going into this that there were like other, I didn't really want anything that would like have to be injected into me, anything to do with surgery, because I feel like stuff like that for me is a bit too permanent. And with like the pill, you have more control over like when you take it, if you want to stop and stuff like that. So that's why I opted for that. But once that day was like happening, I was like, I'm stopping this right now because I can't deal with this. This is crazy. I said I'd rather deal with like the fluctuating period cycles than feel like this and absolutely like not be myself at all. So since then I haven't been taking it and I actually feel so much better already. It's crazy. It's just like blown my mind as to how real, like this may sound so stupid, but it's blown my mind as to how real hormones are. Like when people say mood swings, it's not just like, oh, you're annoying me. Like I was literally crying 1 second and then like that, I was calm. I wasn't like happy, but I was like calm. And I was like, what? I still want to control my cycles. I still want to have them in a schedule, but I just don't want hormones, like fake stuff in me again. Like the first times I tried the pill, I was absolutely fine. And I don't know what this one had in it, but it drove me insane. Like it was not normal. So if you guys have any like things that you do to like control or like naturally fix your cycle yourself, let me know, because a sis needs help. She needs help because I can't be doing this. I really can't be doing this. It's a no from me. This liner will have to do because I can't do this today. But yeah, also since we're on the topic of like periods and whatnot, if you don't want to watch this, just like mute me because I'm gonna talk about some stuff, because why not now? Like I've already started, why not talk about some more? But yeah, like when it comes to products like pads, tampons and stuff, I use natural ones that can be recycled, because the waste that plastic pads and stuff use up, like the amount of space and trash they produce is so insane, and you don't even think about it, but it's literally plastic. But yeah, I use natural ones that are biodegradable and can like dissolve into the ground once they're like wasted or used. So I think that's such a better option, and I feel like more people need to read up about them, because you don't, like the amount of pads and tampons we use, guys, it is nuts. Like I've seen pictures of like them in the wastelands and stuff, and it's so much. Like think about every woman, like 7 days like average, every woman 7 days average a month, and use like a day, like I don't know, like 4 or 5 pads, 6, depending on like your flow. Use so many and it all just goes to waste, like to some land to never dissolve. So yeah, look into natural products. Plastic ones also don't absorb product. It kind of just sits there. So like say this is the pad, it doesn't like sink into it, it just sits on it, so it's like going back into your body. The reason I'm talking about this is because, let me just get it, I was inspired and spoken into getting one of these. Wait, let me. This bronzer is actually got like a smell. It's got a weird smell. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like that. I don't know if it's like chocolate or I don't know, but it's got a smell to it. But yeah, as I was saying, I was told to get one of these. It's a menstrual cup. It's a menstrual cup. Now, I was really one of those people before I got one that was like, ew, why would I get that? That's like nasty. Like the thought of it, I was just like, oh, not sure about that one. But I was like, let me just get it, you know, and just see what it's like and see what it's about, because there's no way that this many people use it and are like, this is the best thing that's happened to me, da 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 da, you know what I mean? So I was like, I just went on Google basically, didn't do anything crazy, literally just typed in menstrual cups, and there were so many websites. Like some of the things I was seeing, I was like, how does this go in? Like, how do you what? I was like, there were literally so many products. Like, I'll link some of the sites I used, and I was gonna get some of them, but I thought, I really started getting carried away. I was like, oh, this one looks cool. Like, oh, what? That's so sick. I was gonna get loads, but I was like, do you know what? This is my first time. So let me just chill and try like the basic one, which is the one I got. And first things first, I didn't realize there were different sizes. Now, when it was like telling me how to measure like which cup I need to get, I was like, because it's like heavy flow, also if you've given birth, it's this one, like, do you know what I mean? So I was like, am I heavy or am I light? Because how do you know? Like, no one sits there and measures their flow, do you know what I mean? Because I feel like everyone's most likely to say they're heavy. Like, what do I put down? Like, I don't want it to be so uncomfortable. Like, I don't want to get the wrong size. So I just settled for the smallest one. I think there's like two general sizes. I just settled for like the smallest one because they said if you haven't given birth, then just get this one. So I was like, okay. So I got that one. But yeah, I picked orange because it's my favorite color. And then it came and I was so shocked at how big it actually was. Like, when they said small, I was expecting like, but the small is still big. And I'm like, I'm scared. I don't know how to put it, like, I don't know what to do. Just in comparison to my phone, this is like half my phone size. And my phone's the 8, so it's quite big. So yeah, I don't know. I haven't used this and I'm scared. I don't know how to put it in. Like, I've seen so many tutorials. On how to do it. I know you squeeze it and like, yeah, but I just feel like I'm gonna get scared. And like, I was thinking as well, in public, you're gonna need a sink. So how do you change this in public? Because you need to wash it. But yeah, when I use it for the first time, which I will for sure try it out because I've spent money on it now and I'm really curious as well, then I will let you guys know. I keep updating like my Instagram, so that's probably where I'll keep you guys posted, so follow me on that if you're interested. Like, I've started talking more about health and like just normal stuff. Like, I actually enjoy it because it's like, not many people talk about it and it's such a normal thing. So yeah, I hope that wasn't a bit too much information. That's like something that I've never really done on here, but I will definitely do more of like girly talks, like stuff like that. If you have other questions or any recommendations for like any stuff that I've brought up, then do comment them down below because it might help someone out, it might help me out, which it probably will because I have no clue. Like, I genuinely, this is something new for me. So yeah, I'll appreciate any insight, to be fair. I just realized I'm doing a makeup tutorial and not a talk about periods. But yeah, this is the makeup look that I eventually just went for. It's very basic, just ended with the Laguna lip gloss that I previously mentioned in my last video that I love. It's just like a lip oil. Very natural, very cute, very... So yeah, that was that, and I'll see you guys again next week. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a lovely day. Bye.